Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now this is going to continue with the maze puzzles that I created previously. If you've not seen those videos, please check them out first, or if you just want to follow along. Now we made some impossible mazes and we're going to upload them to Etsy. I showed you the program I used, the app I used, yeah, but now we're over on Canva. This is what we made yesterday for the main Etsy image, so I've just made like the title, put the images on there, how many we've got, because there's 4, but I didn't want to put the other one on because it's just like an extra. Then I put it download so then people can see it. Yeah, so let's go over to the next part, and this is how I do it. I make a couple of pages, and I've got like an arrow showing that it's a download. I put a PDF on to let them know, yeah, and this is my brand. But then I'll add the image on, and this is how I do it. And I make it a bit so it kind of covers the page, kind of thing. And then I'll position it at the back. Yeah. Then I'll add some images on, like say for instance, go to elements, just type in, see if you can find anything for maze. Yeah, it's got some mazes on. Or I'll type in impossible, yeah, because it's going to be hard, isn't it? So yeah, something like oh, it'd help if I spelt it right. I'll see you go there. Yeah, so we could have no, that's it doesn't stand out. So what we could do, we could make the background I suppose we could kind of stand out, doesn't it? And then we could have something like again, no, I want something that stands out, something like what says it's impossible, kind of thing. We could have like an image. I suppose we could have that, yeah. So that'd be like your first page, and then what I'll do then, I'll duplicate it like that, and then I'll just get the other mazes and just do it like that. And I'll do this 4 times, so then every single one. So we've got a triangle, yeah. Let's just make that a little bit bigger. Yeah, so we've got all 4 of the images then, so they can see what they're going to get. Yeah. And say for instance this was Christmas, I'd have like Christmas things here. Yeah. And then what I'll do again is just get one of the images, and I go to edit image, go to smart mockups, download and print. So I'll just do this one. So then they can see you download it, yeah. And I'll just make this a bit bigger. And then I'll position it at the back. Let's do that. Then hopefully it'll go behind then. And then down this one, print multiple. So to get a different one, it doesn't have to be. I mean, you can use the same one. It's up to you. And then I'll just scroll down on there on the mock-up side, and I like using the same ones, kind of like this one here. So it looks like it's like a pile of them basically. And I'll do the same. Put them all at the back. Position, and yeah. Yeah, so you see here, yeah. So they've got it here, download and print. You can change this to the colours you use. So if it's Christmas, I'm using red and white, yeah. If it's, I don't know, Valentine's, you might use a pink and that, yeah. And look, they're still getting told that it's download and it's a PDF, yeah, and that's my brand, yeah. Again, there's that one. Then this one here, this is what I made for a Halloween one I did. So if you've got like all these pages, you'd put them in here, but I've just changed this for now, so I've made it 4 puzzles. So I'd delete all these, yeah. I mean, you could spread them out a bit, There we go. Delete these, yeah. So we've got 4 on. Let's just delete some of these. And yeah. So we can make these a bit bigger actually. There's only 4. Then you could use this. You keep these templates, so every time you upload new stuff, that needs to go to the back, doesn't it? Yeah. Every time you upload new stuff, won't be a second, guys. I'm just trying to. Yeah. So then I do that every time you upload new stuff. Then you just have to drag and drop it over here, like this, yeah. So then they can clearly see what they're getting. So you put in four maze puzzles, yeah, or whatever it is. It could be word search, it could be anything, guys. It could be colouring pages. But how many you've got, you go that. So not only are they seeing every individual one they've got, yeah, standing out so they can see it a bit clearer. They can also see they have to download it and print it. They also see that you can print multiples, give them a bit more insight, and then I show all of them together then, so they show it again. Yeah, you can also, I've made this for some of my others, where I've told them you print it at home on cardstock or regular paper, laminate them, yeah, just for giving them a bit more ideas. You download from the link, tell them how to download it, yeah. So put this on. I send this with all my uploads. Then you can also make, this is what I've made for some of them, is you show them step by step. So download, print, cut them out. Yeah, if it's a cut out one, like these you just download, them ones you just download and print. Yeah, you don't have to cut them out. And then again, 4 simple steps. These are just some of the templates you can make. And then these you don't have to edit them again. You just upload them with every one. Then you can change the backgrounds, make it look a bit more presentable. This is one I made earlier for my bookmarks. I just shared what it looks like, yeah. So they know they've got to cut them out, colour them, yeah. And that is it, guys. That is how I download them for Etsy. This is what I make for Etsy, and I upload these. So I'll then download these, yeah. Let me see what colours. So the colours I've got black and white basically. So you could change these to black and white, just so it all like stays like in the same theme kind of thing, yeah. I'm not sure if this will work now. This might look a bit. No, I'm going to keep that as it was, yeah, so it stands out, yeah. But all the rest then, I just come on to share. I've got us to download and keep it as PNG. Let's get rid of them all. We don't need them all. You download the 6 pages, yeah. You allow 10 on Etsy, so 6. Then you can have the that tell them to download, and then the print, yeah. You don't need to cut them out. Just to download and print ones. So yeah, so done. So they downloaded 9 pages there. So that's 9 pages. If you wanted to make extra one, you can, but you don't need to. So this has got it's got every single one they've got. Yeah. Sometimes if you make multiple, you can't do them all. So you might just share a few of them. And then yeah. So that's it, guys. This is my channel. If it loads. Yeah, this is my channel, Make Money with Jay. Feel free to subscribe. I upload my income reports. I'm very transparent. I don't hold nothing back. I share what I find. So for instance, this one here, a niche I found for November, I share it. And if I'm making something, I show you how I'm making it. I upload that. Yeah, so follow along, guys, and feel free to check out some of my videos. I make printables for Etsy, as we just shown in this video. I make books for Amazon, KDP, and I also have a blog which I show my Ezoic earnings, which is like AdSense. So feel free, guys. I also make freebies, so you can come and get some freebies if you want, guys. And until next time, guys, thanks very much for listening, watching. Until next time, goodbye.